Friends, welcome to another video of mine. So in today's video I'm going to first ever give a try to my Huda Beauty nude palette. This palette is although not quite nude, quite new, but this is quite new to my collection. And now let's start the video. So I've already moisturized my face, and for the primer I'm using the Benefit Pore Freshener. This is a nice pearly primer. It gives a nice sheen to the skin. As you can see, I've got again acne around my chin area. That's the area which I usually get acne. I just thought of sitting down and filming a go-to nude tutorial, but then I thought, why not try and experiment with the nude palette a bit more. So, and for the primer, after using the primer, I'm using the combination of the Smashbox Crystallized Primerizer and again the Smashbox Studio Skin Foundation. Again, it's quite pearly sort of. So I'm just going to first dot it over. Take some more foundation because I think it has really shaded out the foundation a lot. Bringing it down the neck. I'm just going to blend it using my damp beauty blender and just pushing the product in the skin. We're not just going to drag, just push it upwards. For concealer, today I'm using again one of my favorites, the Maybelline Age Rewind. These are the areas which I always need more concealing. Again using, and I'll just put some more in the eyes. Taking it all the way upwards to the brows. Because right now, guys, I do not know till where I'm going to take my eyeshadow from. So I'm just, to be on the safe side, just taking the product upwards and again pushing it in. That's it. So some areas I just like to conceal a bit more. So for this, I'm just dotting it over and leaving it for some time. And just pushing it from the brush. So first of all, I'm just taking this shade from here called Teddy and my fluffy brush. This is the NYX number 17. Yes. It's a nice transition shade. I'm just trying to bring it all over and taking a bit further to the brows. See? Now we are just going to take this shade from here. This is called Tease. This is a nice brownie shade, a cool tone brown. I'm just going to pat it just in the outer V. Just trying to pat and then extending it along. Next, we are going to take this shade called Spanked. You can see this is a nice rosy sort of shade, and I'm just placing it on the lids. This palette is quite browny mauve palette, guys, but it's very good. You can try and create festival makeup. You can try and create everyday eyeshadow look. So I'm just patting it along. As you can see. Now again, taking this brush, the Zoeva 231 brush, I'm just bringing this Infatuated and Excite. And we just want to do the crease with it. Not taking all the way to the crease, but just halfway. A little bit of shimmer. So again, taking one more time. We're just going to take halfway. You can see. Now I'm just going to use this shade called Conceal. It's literally a concealer shade, guys. I'm just going to, as you can see, just placing it slightly. Now we are just going to use this shade, guys, from here. It's nice golden with some specks of silver. Again, using the finger. I'm just going to place just above our concealer. Now I'm just going to take this fluffy brush and taking the same Spanked, just going to just darken it a bit more. That's it, guys. And now again, we are going to take a mixture of this Infatuated and Excite and going to just outline the crease one more time. And just going to pull it along. If you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and add some lash glue or Fix Plus to the brush, and it's going to get more pigment, but I'm just using it barely. Now again, taking the NYX brush and trying to diffuse the shade. As you can see, don't worry, if we have got eyeshadows, we're just going to fix that later. So I'll be back behind the camera, guys, and finishing off my next eye. Hey guys, I'm back. I've just finished my other eye. So now I'm just going to take this gel eyeliner. This is from Maybelline. I'm just going to do a slight flick. I'm not doing a heavy wing, but I'm just doing a slight flick with this look. I'll try looking to the camera, but it's just And now I'm just, as you can see guys, I've just done my eyeliner. I just thought of creating a slight flick. Now I'm using just the Benefit Bad Girl mascara. That's it guys. So we have done with the mascara and the eye look. Now I'm just going to take this tiny bit of glitter one more time. And this is this one, shade called Fantasy. This is nice. And I'm just going to place because I'm just leaving. You can see. That's it for our eye look guys. Now we are going to quickly finish off our face. For this, for contouring, I'm taking this the L'Oreal Infallible Sculpt bronzer, and I'm just going to take this brush. I'm just going to carve my cheeks. And do the same. I'm using this NYX fluffy brush and just pressing it along. Just taking it upwards, as you can see. Bringing it down. And for the bronzer, I'm taking the Benefit bronzer in Hoola. Benefit Hoola bronzer. And I'm using the brush. So guys, do comment me in the description bar below and tell me, like, what sort of look do you like more? Is it like the colorful look, or colorful eye look, or the nude eye look, or with a bold lip? And what sort of videos would you like me to create more? I'd love to see your comment guys. Now I've just done with my bronzing and just setting it one more time. I'm taking the Smashbox one and just dabbing it because it has got a nice sheen. So I'm just where you want. You can just, it's going to give nice. And again, highlighter on top of that. I'm using the Benefit Dandelion. I'm taking a fan brush, slightly just going to so I've just finished my brows guys. So this is the combination I have used. I go for the duo of Benefit Brow and the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. So that's it for my brow look guys. Now we are going to move towards the lips. For lips, I'm going to take a combo of these two. This is the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipsticks in the shade Trendsetter and Gossip Girl. Let's just try to show. And just using the Gossip Girl in center. Thumbs up guys. I see you again in my next video. Bye.